Hi everyone. So let's talk about creating a heap. So there are two ways of creating a heap. One is we take one element at a time and we start putting it in the heap. We start inserting the element in the heap. And if we do that, so top down, if we do that, where we pick up one element at a time and we insert it into a heap, the time complexity is n log of n, because inserting one element in a heap takes log n. So inserting n elements in a heap takes n log n. But there is an easier way to do it, easier in the sense, in terms of the time complexity. There's a way to do it where the time complexity is just log n. Let's go through that method. Now that method is called Heapify. So in case of Heapify, we don't go top down, but we go bottom up, right? So what happens here is we start with the leaf nodes. So first we take all these elements and we just form a tree with it. uh, we go top down, top to bottom and left to right. So we have 7 here, 7 comes here, then 2 comes here, 5 comes here, 3 comes here, 4 comes here, 1 comes here, and 6 comes here, right? Is this a main heap? No, it is not. So we've just taken these elements and we've created a tree out of it. But this is by no means a min heap. What are we going to do? We are going to heapify it. When we say heapify, let's start with the bottom. Let's start with the leaf node. The leaf node does not, 6 for example, does not have any children. So it has nothing to be compared with. Okay. So at height 0, I have no swaps to be done. Now let me come to height 1. At height 1, I'm here and I have 5 here. Do I have any element which has a lower value than 5 among both its child nodes? Yes, there is one. One has a value lower than 5. So what do? We swap the two. So we have 5 here and 1 here, right? Now let's go to the next node at the same height. We have 2 here, right? Do we have any node, any child node of 2 which is a value less than 2? No, we don't. All right. So since we do not have a value, a child node with a value less than 2, we can ignore this. Now we go to the last height, so which is at height 2. So we are here, we are at the root node and we are at 7. So do we have child nodes with value less than 7? Yes, both 1 and 2 have values less than 7. So in this case, what do? We take the value which is the smallest. So we swap 7 with 1. So 7 comes here and 1 comes here. Now, because we swapped this node, we are going to heapify this node again. And now we see if this node has children with value less than 7. So, yes, in fact, both the child nodes have value less than 7. Again, what do we pick up? We pick up the node with the least value. So, we pick up 5 and we swap these. So, 7 comes here and 5 comes here. And with this, we have heapified this input. Right now, I did mention to you that the time complexity for this is just big O of n. I will explain this in the next video. Thank you.